Hi, and welcome to FullConvert, our state-of-the-art database migration tool. Although FullConvert is fully self-tuning, it offers extensive mapping so you can adjust the migration parameters to your liking. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you FullConvert's mapping abilities and how you can use them to your advantage. So, here I am in the Project Overview tab, and I'm about to start my migration. But what if I want to change some details? If I go into Human Resources Employee, I can see that its name doesn't change in the target. What I can do is, I can go back and go to Project Options. I'm going to scroll down to the Mapping section and type in that I want the Human Resources Table schema from the source to be named HR on the target. Now, if I go back to a Human Resources table, I can see that the schema will be renamed to HR. I can make as many adjustments as I want. Let's make another one. Go back to Project Options, Mapping, and under Schema Mapping, I'm going to add that I want the Person Table schema to be renamed to People on the target database. If we go back, we can see that the changes have been applied. Table mapping works the same way. Simply state the desired source and target database name. FullConvert also allows for column renaming, and it works the same way as the previous two options. State the source mapping, then the target. In this case, I want the business entity ID column to become BID on the target. If I apply the changes and go to a table that contains the business entity ID column, I can see how it's been renamed. As we can see here, each column has a data type. Organization node on the source database has hierarchy ID, while the same column on the target has varchar 255. Let's change this. Once again, we state the source data type and the target data type. In this case, I want hierarchy ID to become varchar 30. If we go back to our list now, we can see that the changes have been applied. As we can see in the top left corner, FullConvert is using automatic mapping. If I were to make changes to this particular table only without affecting other tables, I could change this option to manual mapping. Here I am giving full control to adjust the table to my liking. I can change column names, schema names, data types, and much more. Remember, when in manual mode, you are not making changes across the entire database, only within the selected table. FullConvert also allows you to choose if you'd like to either recreate a target table or expect an existing one. I can even choose if I want FullConvert to copy everything, to append data only, to copy only added records, or not to copy anything at all. And finally, in the top right corner, I can set up my custom where clause. This is useful for selecting filtering data during migration, enabling precise control over which records are transferred based on specific conditions or criteria.